Want to unlock a world of Arabic and international entertainment right on your Samsung Smart TV? Then this is for you. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV and navigate to the Apps section. You can usually find this on the home screen. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar, it's usually at the top, and type in Downloader. Locate the Downloader app. It has an orange icon with a downward arrow, and select it. Now, click Install and wait for the download to complete. Now launch the Downloader app. Use the search bar within the app and type in the specific URL where you can download the Yacine TV app file. Ensure the URL is correct. After downloading, a prompt may appear asking for permission to access your TV's storage. Allow the permission for the installation to proceed. Once the installation is done, you'll find the Yacine TV icon on your home screen or in the app section. Select the icon to launch the app. Browse through the extensive list of channels and enjoy your favorite Arabic and international TV shows, sports events, and more. Now, enjoy it.